Hey everybody, JC here. Yes, it is time for another Mini Engine Monday. So I have run out of mini engine rockets. So we're going to try some 18 millimeter rockets, but not ones that are 3D printed. In fact, this one, SD says, is A10-3 compatible. So that's what's in there, A10-3. Another great day, just like last week. Almost no wind out here earlier in the morning, so it's not 978 degrees, because we don't like that. All right, launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was not good. So I guess it's only semi-compatible, or else these A10s just don't have any oomph to them, because I actually have launched this rocket before on an A10. Ooh, tube crinkle. Yep, okay, well, good thing I have a whole bunch of these. I guess just build another one. Okay, so that last flight was disappointing, I guess, but we're undaunted. Next up is the, yes, Viking E2X. So, whoops, sorry about that. Now this one weighs a lot less than the generic E2X, so hopefully we will not suffer the same fate. All right, continuity. All right, launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. That was on an A3 4T. Maybe a 2 would have been a better delay, but that's all I had. Okay, so let's see here. What do you think? Maybe 150 feet? Oh, looks like, oh, where are you? Come on. Are you focusing? Can never tell. All right, looks like 188 feet. Okay, so the last mini engine fly of the day. This is the game over. Haven't seen this since the ABC Challenge. It was in the top 3 or 4, I can't remember. It's a pretty light rocket. Hopefully we'll have the same success we had with the Viking E2X. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight up. All right, good deployment. Yep, might want to get some 2s or 2 delays if I'm ever going to do this again. Alrighty. Avoided the mud puddle. Excellent. Okay, let's go over. Turn off other camera. Pretty wet over here. Definitely wet. Okay, so let's see here. So we have a reading on the old altimeter. Wow, pretty high. What was that? Come on, focus, focus. Oh, yeah, come on. I don't understand how it can't focus something. There we go, 284 feet, finally. Okay, it's time for the bonus launch. Okay, this is the Phoenix. It last flew down in the desert. Okay, it's got a C11.3 in it, and hopefully we'll have a nice successful flight. It's kind of pushing the limits. It's like 5.5 ounces, so we'll see. And the worst that can happen is it crashes, and I'll print another one. All right, launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was perfect. That was perfect flight. All right, very nice. Oh, I saw this little piece of, turns out it's a piece of wadding. Take that up. Don't leave any garbage if I can avoid anything. All right, everything looks intact, landed in the grass. Pretty wet, but it's plastic, so let's see what we got on the altimeter. Okay, 257 feet. Not bad at all.